Hello everybody, it is the Shakaama Live Show. So I have here a Subway sandwich. Now you're saying, Shakaama, how dare you eat this? Well, here's the deal. I am going to recreate this with fresh ingredients of my own in a cooking video. So if you really would love to see me do a little cooking video, I will recreate this and then I'll actually price it to see if so this here is about $7, about $7.50. So it has banana peppers, a red onion, spinach, salami, and something else. What else? Yeah, that's it. So if you want me to see me do a recreation of this, and it'll look 10 times better, of course, and see if it costs less, I'll price everything, which means I have to keep the receipts for everything that I bought. I already bought everything. So give me a shout out if you like this video. If you want to see the cooking part, I might go and buy a chef hat and a chef coat. Thank you for watching. Leave a like. Bye bye.